Welcome to this release of Designfusion's Solid Edge blog. In this release, you will be introduced to the interoperability between the new NXX Essentials and Solid Edge. Design Center NXX Essentials is part of Siemens Design Center Suite. NXX Essentials is a powerful browser-based design tool that brings essential CAD, CAM, and CAE capabilities to anyone, anywhere on any device. NXX Essentials works in conjunction with Solid Edge. The following demonstration introduces you to NXX Essentials and shows how it works with Solid Edge. Welcome to the future of design efficiency with NXX Essentials. Today we're exploring powerful features that will transform your workflow and boost productivity like never before. Start your journey with our extensive Shapes library, your gateway to rapid design creation. Access pre-built geometric elements instantly, saving valuable modeling time. Watch as we seamlessly integrate these shapes into your workspace. Experience unprecedented control with our Smart Triad technology. Align shapes with precision and intuition, while the intelligent anchor point system ensures accurate measurements every time. It's not just about designing, it's about designing with confidence. Transform your designs with the powerful shell command, creating hollow parts with controlled wall thickness in seconds. Then elevate your models with smooth, professional-grade blend features that seamlessly connect surfaces. Hole placement has never been more efficient. Place, copy, and pattern holes with exact precision. Our intelligent system remembers your preferences, making repetitive tasks a thing of the past. Take advantage of the mirror command to create symmetrical designs instantly. Then, unite your components seamlessly with Boolean operations, bringing your vision to life with just a few clicks. Every feature in NXX Essentials is designed with one goal: to help you work faster and smarter. These aren't just tools, they're your partners in innovation. Experience the power of NXX Essentials today. Transform your design process and join the future of digital manufacturing with Siemens NX. Bringing in those NXX Essentials models to Solid Edge is a breeze using CAD Direct technology with a Siemens connector. We are getting the perfect data transfer with no translation headaches and no extra files on disk. Once we have got NXX Essentials model in Solid Edge, we can experience our best-in-class assembly tools inside Solid Edge. They're so intuitive, it's like the parts know exactly where they want to go. Just use Solid Edge's intelligent assembly relationships and watch as parts snap perfectly into place. And here's a cool time saver. With Style Picker, we can extract colors from any part with just a quick eyedropper click and apply them instantly to another part. Solid Edge and NXX Essentials interoperability takes viewing and markup to a whole new level. Get inside the view and markup environment right from Solid Edge and mark up the model as needed for extra length and holes. Navigate through design feedback with unprecedented clarity as you view, interpret, and implement changes directly within your 3D environment. Our intuitive markup viewing system transforms the traditional review process into an interactive and efficient workflow. Watch as NXX Essentials guides you through the modification process, ensuring accuracy and maintaining design intent at every step. Whether it's adjusting dimensions, modifying features, or refining surfaces, each change is tracked and implemented with precision. Updating process is a breeze. Any updates made to the original NXX Essentials model can flow right through to the Solid Edge assembly. Just hit CAD Direct Update and boom, all the latest changes are there. Now that's what I call working smarter with Solid Edge and NXX Essentials. Want to learn more? Sign up to our customer portal at the website shown on this slide, where you have access to knowledge-based articles, tips and tricks, how-to articles, and much more. If you require additional support, you can contact our support team at support@designfusion.com or call us at 1-8772-151-883.